Hello student, I am Dr. K, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss nomenclature of substituted benzene compound. For IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds, the substituent is placed as a prefix to the word benzene, as shown in the examples. I will tell the examples. However, common names of many substituent benzene compounds are also universally used. Now I am telling the examples. That is a structural formula is with benzene methyl group is attached. With benzene methyl group is attached. Then this will be common name is toluene. Common name is toluene. And IUPAC name is methyl benzene, because with methyl with benzene one methyl group is attached. Then its IUPAC name is methyl benzene, also called toluene. Popularly it is known as toluene. Now second example I am telling you, with benzene OMe group is attached. Me means methyl. Oxygen is also attached. OMe. Then its common name is anisole. 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 But IUPAC name is methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene, because it is attached, carbon is attached with oxygen of OMe. Then it is called methoxybenzene, and popularly it is known as anisole. Third example I am telling you, that now NH2 group is attached with benzene. NH2 group is attached with benzene. Then popularly it is known as aniline. Common name is aniline. NH2 group is attached with benzene. Then it is the aniline. And IUPAC name aminobenzene. Aminobenzene, because with benzene amino group is attached. Now another example I am telling you. Now with benzene NO2 group is attached. NO2. Then it is called nitrobenzene, because nitro group is attached. Nitrobenzene. And one more example, that is if bromine is attached with benzene, then it is called bromobenzene. This I have given 5 example I have given for this 5 compounds name I told you. Now if benzoyne ring is a di substituted, this is the mono, only one group was attached, one hydrogen gone from benzene ring, and its place one group has come, one substituent group. But now if benzene ring is a di substituted, the position of substituents is defined by numbering the carbon atoms of the ring such that the substituents are localized at the lowest number possible. For example, the the composition, not this composition, compounds. The compounds is named as 1,3-dibromobenzene and not as 1,5-dibromobenzene. I am telling you that compound for the compounds, I will give examples, then it will be clear. Benzene ring is there and 2-bromine is attached. Continuously 2-bromine is attached. Then what will be its name? Then first you have, if 2 groups are there, then first you do it numbering. Then it will start with first group. After that next will be 2, third, and after that third, 4, 5, 6. Then both groups should be closed. List number. Subsequent should be list number. What you have started from that first carbon, suppose one group was there, then next will be the 2, and that group will be near the 2 only, not to third, not to fourth, not to fifth. If 2 are there, if 2 group is there, then numbering you have to should start with the first, and second will be just nearest to the first, means continuously first and second, they should get a list number. Okay, that the compounds is named as 1,3-dibromobenzene. I am talking about the another example when there is you can say these things, carbon number 1 and carbon number 3 bromine is there. If carbon number 1 and carbon number 3 bromine is there, then numbering you should start with first group, first, second, third. If 2 groups are there, one is at first bromine and other is at third, then it will be 1,3-dibromobenzene. And if 2 bromines are there, both are just nearest at carbon 1 and at carbon 2 also, then it is called 1,2-dibromobenzene. 1, 2, because carbon number 1 bromine is there and carbon number 2 bromine is there, then both are close, both got close. You can't tell any other number. Always it should get a number, can say list number. Then if 1 and 2 both are there close, then it will be 1,2-dibromobenzene. 1,2-dibromobenzene. And if 1 and third, carbon number 1 and third bromine is there, then it will be 1,3-dibromobenzene. And if it is the 1 and fourth carbon number, if it is 1 and fourth, then it will be 1, 4, 1, 4, always comma you have to write. First example I told 1, 2 dibromobenzene. Second example 1, 3 dibromobenzene. But one dash you have to write 1, 2 dash dibromobenzene. 1, 3 dash dibromobenzene. And third example 1, 4 dash dibromobenzene. This is the example I have told you. In the trivial system of nomenclature, the terms ortho, meta and para are used. This concept actually Previously it was known as ortho, meta and para. Ortho means O and meta small m, and para small p. Okay, it is denoted by like this way only. In the trivial system of nomenclature, the terms ortho, in shortcut O, meta small m, and para small p are used as prefixes to indicate the relative positions. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. What I have given example, that is the in term of 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. But same things you can write also in the trivial system. Thus 1,3-dibromobenzene and second this thing 1,3-dibromobenzene. I have given example. Is named as meta-dibromobenzene because first you started numbering with first, then after the first next is called ortho, and after that it is called meta, and after that it is called para, P-A-R-A, para, P. Then group first starting number, just after the starting number next is ortho, after that meta, and after that para. Means 1, 4 is the para, 1, 2, 1 means next, continuously next, that is the ortho, and third carbon that is called meta. Okay, second carbon ortho. First you start from the bromine, that is the group. Next, after this group, next, that is carbon number 2, that is the ortho, and carbon number 3, that is the meta, and carbon number 4, that is the para. Okay, this is the position you can tell. Then example I told you 1, 3 is there, then that you can tell is abbreviated as meta, means meta-dibromobenzene, because on third carbon first and third bromine is there, then it is the meta-dibromobenzene. Meta is abbreviated as M, small m, and like that way on the orthoisomers of dibromobenzene means 1 or 2. If at carbon number 1 and 2 is there, then it will be this things ortho you can tell when it is and carbon bromo is the at carbon number 2, then it is the ortho, and if it is on fourth, then it is called para dibromobenzene. Ortho dibromobenzene and para dibromobenzene respectively. Okay, and these things for try, what we will do for the try? For try or higher substituted benzene derivatives. Suppose now more than 2 groups are there, that's why it is a try, or maybe higher also, 4 also, 5 also, then how will you do a nomenclature? Then for try or higher substituted benzene derivatives, these prefixes cannot be used, and the compounds are named by identifying substituent position on the ring by following the lowest locant rule. Lowest locant rule, L-O-C-A-N-T, location, from that lowest locant rule. In some cases, common name of benzene derivative is taken as the base compound. Okay, example I am telling you. Substituents of the base compound is assigned number 1, and then the direction of numbering is chosen such that the next subsequent gets the lowest number. Here you have to understand that substituent of the base compound is assigned number 1, and then the direction of the numbering is chosen such that the next substituent gets the lowest number. The substituents appear in the name in alphabetical order. Now I am telling some example I will tell you. Suppose with benzene rings, 3 different groups are attached. 3 different groups. One chlorine, other means one chloro, and one other is nitro, and third is again a nitro. Okay, 3 groups are there, but one is chloro group and other is nitro group. Then how will you do nomenclature? Then you can start with any group, numbering you can start. Then this will be, suppose first you have written chlorine, and second is nitro, and third group is also nitro. Then first you should do the numbering. Then first group, chloro, you start with chloro, that is the 1, and after that on second carbon, that is the nitro group. Third is nothing, means para position, nothing is there, and fifth is again NO2 group. Then how will you do nomenclature? Then you should follow the alphabetical order. Okay, according to the alphabetical order. Then chloro, it starts with C, and then nitro is N. Then first you should nomenclature you start with chloro. Okay, then 1 chloro, 1 dash chloro, again a dash, and carbon number 2 and carbon number 4. Okay, carbon number 1 is chloro, carbon number 2 is NO2, third is nothing, carbon number 4 is again NO2. Then 1 dash chloro, again a dash, 2, 4, because carbon number 2 and 4, nitro group is there. Then 2, 4, again dash, dinitro-benzene. Dinitro-benzene means 1 dash chloro, dash, always with separation dash you have to write. Then 1 dash chloro, dash, 2, 4 dash dinitro-benzene. Here you followed the alphabetical order, and first you have to give the numbering. Okay, alphabetical order you have to follow. Now second example I am telling you that 3 groups are attached. First group is, one group is NO2, other group is Cl, and third group is CH3, means methyl. One group is nitro, other is chloro, and third group is methyl. Then here first again you have to do these things, numbering. Then numbering will start from where? It will start from Cl. Okay, chloro, Cl. Then C will, 3 groups are there. One is Cl, chloro. It start with C. After that, second will be M. Second will be M. And third will be N. Methyl, M letter will come. And after that, nitro, N letter will come. Hence, first it will be numbering. You should start with alpha, means with alphabet, means Cl, that will be 1, and after that next is a methyl group attached, that is carbon number 2, and then next 3, 4, 5, then again carbon number 5 NO2 group is attached. Okay, NO2 group attached at 5. Then 3 numbers you have to highlight: 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2, 5. Okay, then here you have to, how you will do nomenclature. Then here you will do nomenclature like that. Carbon number 2, these things. Actually, I told you base compound first you have to search. Base compound, just like a parent, here you have to tell base compound. Then here actually base compound is assigned number 1. Always remember, base compound is assigned number 1, and after that you write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here base compound is actually nitro. Base compound is nitrobenzene, NO2. That is a base compound, but 2 more groups are attached, that is the chloro and methyl. The numbering you will do start with NO2. Then NO2, suppose if NO2 is suppose 1, then next will be from NO2 is 1. Then after that what will happen? NO2 is assigned number 1. Base compound is assigned number 1. Then now here that this NO2, after NO2 this is there 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, name will be, when NO2 group is attached as a base, then its name will be 2-chloro. Actually here NO2 and CH3 both are there, both are popular. Then here NO2 will be not this base. Methyl will be the base. Okay, not the NO2, methyl. And after that methyl order, you have to write after the methyl that chlorine is there. Methyl you can give 1, carbon number 1, and after that chlorine is written next, and that will be number 2. Number 3 nothing is there. Number 4 NO2 will be there. And here base metal you have to consider methyl. Alphabetical order also it is the coming. In actually NO2 also was expected, NO2 and methyl, but here methyl is actually base. Then you start with from the methyl, that is the number 1. Next is the chlorine, that is the number 2. 3 is nothing, 4 is NO2. Then its nomenclature will be 2-chloro, 2-chloro -1 -methyl. Okay, -4 -nitrobenzene. Okay, 2-chloro 1-methyl 4-nitrobenzene. Okay. Now one more example I am telling you. Now this three groups are attached. OME, that is the main base. OME group is the base, and after that is the carbon 1. Next is carbon 2. There Cl is there. 3 is nothing. 4 is methyl group. Then here any sol, that is the base. Okay, hence name will be according to the alphabet. Then first you have to write chloro, 2 chloro, 4 methyl, first C and then M, and last will come the base. Then 2 chloro, 4 methyl anisole, 4 methyl anisole. Now one more example I am telling you, that NH2 is the base group. 3 groups are there. Then NH2 is the base, aniline. Then here one carbon number 1 will be the NH2. After that second carbon is methyl. Third carbon is nothing. Fourth carbon is ethyl. Then here actually in all naming you have to first recognize base group, base compound, which is the base or parent, like that. Then aniline is here, aniline is the parent. Then you start with NH2 numbering, carbon number 1, NH2. Second, third, fourth, like that we write. But second is methyl group, third is nothing, fourth is ethyl group, C2H5. Then here numbering will be alphabetical order. Okay. Then here will be this thing, 4, carbon number 4, ethyl group is there, C2H5. Then alphabetically it is coming first, E letter, then 4 ethyl, carbon number 2 methyl is there. After the E, M will come. Then it will 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, because carbon number 2 methyl group is there. Carbon number 4 ethyl is there. First you have to give the numbering, then all things will be easy. Then alphabetically in giving the naming, alphabetical order you have to follow. Then carbon number 4 ethyl is there. Numbering is different and naming is different. Both don't confuse. Then carbon number 4 ethyl is there. Then 4 dash ethyl, again a dash 2, again dash methyl aniline. First base compound you have to find out. And this also one more example already given. Again I want to tell you, I want to repeat that 3 groups are there, NO2, Cl and CH3. Then here this nitrobenzene, that is the nitrobenzene, this NO2. Here in this compound NO2, Cl and CH3, 3 groups are attached. Then here base compound is nitrobenzene. Base compound. Then here that is the numbering will start. Base compound distance NO2, nitrobenzene. Then alphabetically you have to give the naming. Then it will be carbon number 2, chlorine is there, and carbon number 1 methyl is there. and carbon number 4, this is there, nitro is there, nitrobenzene. Then its name will be 2-chloro, 1-methyl 4-nitrobenzene. Okay, 2-chloro, carbon number 2, chlorine is there, carbon number 1, methyl is there, and last will be nitrobenzene. Then 2-chloro, 1-methyl, 4-nitrobenzene. One more example, last example I am telling you. Now 3 groups are there. Then now here one group is OH, other group is methyl. Two methyl groups are attached. Then here base compound is OH, phenol. OH group is attached with benzene, means base compound is phenol, and after that 2 group is there. Then numbering will start with OH. OH will be carbon number 1. After that next will be 2. Again next will be 3. Next after that 4, 5, 6, like that way. Then now numbering you have given. Then now here carbon number 3 and carbon number 4 methyl group is there. Then it will be 3,4 dash dimethyl, and then phenol you can write. Base compound it is written in the end. Okay. Then like that way, always base compound you have to write at the end, and numbering will start with base compound. Okay. This I have discussed. When a benzene ring is attached to an alkane with a functional group, it is considered as a substituent instead of a parent. Again here important point is there. When a benzene ring is attached in an alkane, benzene ring itself is attached. Okay, not in benzene ring. When benzene ring itself is just like a group and attached to the alkane, that also you can think. Then what will be the naming? Benzene group you consider as a separate, and it is attached with alkane. Then in that situation what will happen? When a benzene ring is attached to an alkane with a functional group, it is considered as a substituent instead of a parent. The name for benzene as substituent is phenyl. That time it is called phenyl. When it is attached with alkane, benzene group is attached with alkane, then that time that benzene group will be named as a phenyl group. This is very, very important. I am telling you some examples. Okay, problem is there. Write the structural formula of orthoethyl anisole. You have to write the formula. 4 are there. Then first is you have to write the structure formula. IUPAC name is given. Orthoethyl anisole. Then anisole means OME. Then now it is ortho position. At ortho position. Then after the ortho meta will be there. Then ortho position, after the ortho meta will be there. Then the question is this orthoethyl anisole. any soul. Any soul is the parent. Any soul is the parent, means final. Then here ortho position means next to OME. Next to OME, that is ethyl group. Then you should write because that group, OME group is the parent, the next will be the ortho. After that meta, and after that para. Okay, means group you have to not count. If ortho meta para you are telling, then one group, just a starting group, that you have to not give any number. Next will be ortho, and after that meta, after that para. That OME group will be not given, then any here number is not there. Means next to the group, next to the parent you can tell, or base, that will be ortho position, after that meta, and after that para, continuous. That is not considered. That is the starting point only. After that ortho, meta, para will start. Then here this ortho position C2H5 is there. Then name will be its structure will be on the ortho position. Benzene ring you write, alternate double and single bond, triple double bond, triple single bond, benzene ring. Then OMU group you attached, and after that next you write C2H5. That is called ortho ethyl anisole. Ortho ethyl anisole. Ortho position ethyl group is there. Okay. Now second is that 2,3-dibromo 1-phenyl pentane. Question is this. Means IUPAC name is given. 2,2-dibromo -1 phenyl pentane. Phenyl pentane. This question is there. Then how will question number question number B to B. Question number B is that is what I told. That is the question number C. First I will take B. Question number B. A already told you B. It is a para-nitroaniline. Very easy. Para-nitroaniline. Then aniline structure easily you can write first. Aniline, base compound in aniline, that is the benzene, and you just attach NH2. Then after that you have to write para-nitrobenzene and para-nitroaniline. Then aniline you have written. Then para position easily you can find out, because NH2 group is there. Then with respect to NH group, next carbon will be the 1. After that next will be the 2, and next is the 3. Then third, then next to NH2 group, that is the ortho. Next to NH2 group is ortho, and next to ortho it is meta, and next to meta is the para. Then para-nitrobenzene, para-nitroaniline. Then aniline already have written, NH2 in the starting, then just in the its front, just it's in front, that will be the ortho, meta, para. Para will come just in front of NH2, or back also you can tell. NO2 group is attached. Simple, very simple. One end NH2, other end NO2. Okay, it's ortho, meta, para. Total 6 carbons are there. Then before ortho position NH2 is there. Then ortho, meta, para, both will be in the front. Opposite also you can tell. That is the NO2 group will be in the opposite. Now third question is that 2,3-dibromo 2,3-dibromo -1-phenyl pentane. Then name itself is there. Pentane is the base. Last what will come, that is the main parent, like that. Pentane. Then pentane you have to write 5 carbon you have to write, and in that that skeleton formula structure you can write, or anyway you can write, not a problem. Then here 5 carbon you have to write. The one with one carbon means CH3 last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pentane is there. Then one end CH3 is there. Question you read 2, 3 means carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. Bromine is there, dibromo. 2, 3, dibromo. And carbon number 1 is the phenyl group. Carbon number 1 phenyl pentane. Then very easy, 5 you write, this thing, 5 carbon you write. Last will be the CH3 and first will be the, with first carbon phenyl group, benzene ring will be attached. Phenyl group, C6H5 will be attached. And carbon number 2 and 3, carbon number 2 and 3, that will be bromo group will be there. Carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. Okay, then it is very easy. You start numbering with the CH3. Then CH3 is attached. Then next will be the bromo. Next carbon will be the bromo. Okay, and again next to the third carbon. Okay, then with this you have written 2, 3 dibromo, 1 phenyl. This 1 phenyl pentane. 1 phenyl means we start with this side. First side, phenyl is the, from where phenyl group is attached, that is the 1. And after that it is second, and after that third, and after that fourth, fifth is the methyl group. Because phenyl group is given priority, and it is, according to the question, it is a 1 phenyl pentane. 1 phenyl means phenyl is in the carbon number 1. Very easy, carbon number 1. And fifth will be methyl group. Fifth carbon will be methyl group. And next to the phenyl group, that is the bromo. Again after that, next to the phenyl, that is the 1 carbon. And after next 2 and 3, next is the 2. There is bromo, and then again next, that is the 3. Bromo is there. And for this is the structure of 2, 3 dibromo, 1 phenyl alkane, 1 phenyl pentane, 1 phenyl pentane. And last question is, that is the 4-ethyl. Question 4-ethyl -1 fluoro -2 nitrobenzene. Now here finally it is a nitrobenzene. Finally it is nitrobenzene. Means nitrobenzene you write, means 1 benzene you write and 1 NO2 group you attached. Okay. Then after that, this you have to do first things. 1 benzene ring and 1 NO2 group, you attach it. Okay, then that is the nitrobenzene. But here you have to start with question is given 4-ethyl. 3 groups are there: nitro group, ethyl group, and fluorine group, fluoro. Then it is a nitrobenzene, and first you have to write the nitrobenzene. That will be written in the end. And fourth position is ethyl group. Then how will you write this 1 fluoro? 4-ethyl 1 fluoro 2 nitrobenzene. Means nitro should come at carbon number 2 and fluoro should come at carbon number 1. Then just next to the, or before nitro group you write fluorine. Before NO2 you write fluorine. Okay. Then fluorine will be 1. Fluorine will be 1 fluoro. Then second position came NO2. third is nothing, fourth is ethyl, fourth is ethyl. Then numbering here is done with according the question, one fluoro, then fluorine will be given number 1, and 2 nitro will come in the last, and 4 will be, if fluorine is 1 and NO2 is 2, third is nothing, fourth is ethyl. Then you can write 4 ethyl alphabetically, you have to name alphabetically. Then 4 ethyl, and after that 1 fluoro, E and then F, and the end it will be the N. Then 4 ethyl, 4-ethyl, 1 fluoro, 2 nitro benzene. You can write very easily a structure that first NO2 you write with benzene, but that it should get 2. You have to do numbering like that. It should get position 2. Then for that, before 2, according to the question, fluoro is there, 1 fluoro. Hence before NO2, 1 will be there. And then again from 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth will be the ethyl. Okay. Then today I have finished this nomenclature of substituted benzene compound, and next class I will start isomerism. Okay, thank you.